Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. This is Mathematics D2, exercise 10A, question number 11, and the topic is Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle, we have to find YQ and the area of a triangle XPY. Where is Y? Y and Q. Here is Y and here is Q. That means we want to find this much length. If we talk about this triangle, only this one, where I am just putting some dots inside this triangle, they have not marked anywhere. There is no any right angle here. This line is suspicious. There is no right angle marked here or there, and this line looks a little bit like this. Like it not looks like the straight. If there is a straight angle, they must have marked here. So when you look this question, you should not be very confident about that this is the right angle here at the point Q. So you shouldn't consider this triangle in the very start, which I am just where I'm just putting these dots. So if we talk about this triangle, this much triangle, this is even not looks the right angle. If I said this is not show that here is a right angle here, so that's mean it's not sure that there is a right angle here. And of course this is not a right angle here, and of course here is not even a right angle. So that's mean you shouldn't consider this. So why not we consider this triangle like this? Because for it we have been given this right angle, and in front of it there is 18 and 14 both. So 18 and 14 becomes 32. So 32 is the hypotenuse square, and base is y2x yx square plus perpendicular is 24 square. 32 square is 1024. 24 square is 576, which will come here and it will be subtracted, and yx square will left there alone. 1024 minus 576 will be equal to 448. So yx square is equal to 448. If we take the square root on both sides, it will be 21.17 almost. So yx has been gained, but we wanted to find only yq, because the demand of the question is to find the yq. If I want to find the yq, then the total length I have just found 21.17. From it I can subtract 9.8 to get the yq. So after subtracting I will get 11.37 meters. This was also in meters. So the first demand of the question has been fulfilled. At least the first demand has been fulfilled. Now let's try to find the fulfill the second demand. The second demand is to find the area of the triangle X. This is P and this is Y. If we want to find this, I know that this is the base. If I want to find the area of this triangle, so this 14 is the base and this is the height, and we know that the triangle area is found by the area of a triangle is by the base times height. We have only the base, but we don't have height. So height I need to find out first. To find out height, I will consider only this much triangle, which is at the top. Its base is yp is the base, and its height is its hypotenuse is 24 square, and its base is yp square, and its height is, or perpendicular is, 18 square. So after solving this, yp will be gained as 15.87. The time is short, so that's why I have made a shortcut. So now let me put the half, and 14 is already here, and 15.87. So 7 times 14, and after multiplying this we will get 111 something, and the answer on the back side is written 111 meter square. Okay student, if there is any confusion, you can stop the video and think about yourself. Okay, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.